In this year, we'll talk about the revenge CAT. Let's take a revenge on the CAT exam. So this is video for people who are repeating CAT. Fine, if you're giving the CAT for the first time, this is not the video for you, but this is mainly for the people who are going to repeat this year. And we are going to give it back to the CAT exam with a target 99 percentile. So let's take a revenge with CAT exam with a 99 percentile in the CAT exam. Okay, first thing first, I want you to understand from you, or I want you to understand where you stand as of today. So I want the mock score of the last 5 years, last 5 mocks. Fine, quant, verbal and DI logic. How much was your average score last year? And this is going to be my target this year. So XXYYZZ is what you scored last year in the mocks, average 5 mocks, and XYZ are the expected from you, your expectation from yourself this year. Okay, obviously my target will be 99 percentile. Okay, there's a very common Chinese verb here where you cannot fill a cup which is already full. Okay, so first thing first, you have to unlearn what we have done last year. Okay, last year if you suppose you got 90 percentile in the quant section, 18 verbal and 17 DI. So in your psychologically in your mind you are thinking your DI is the weakest area, verbal is the average area and quant is the best area. Okay, that was what happened last year or this year. Fine, but this year क्या होगा इस साल future में क्या होने वाला है, we don't know what kind of paper is going to get. So we have to start from fresh. I want you to start from scratch and prepare for CAT according to the as if you're preparing for the first time. Fine, this is a phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. The advantage what you have, your phase 1 will be smaller. Phase 1 means doing the basics. Then we move to phase 2, going to the advanced level, and then we look at the non-CAT exams. Okay, so we're going to have a 3-phase program. Alright, so I'm going to go into the detail in a separate video, but this is just to give an idea. First phase, I want you to do your basics first. So like at IIMking, we have a blue books, green books and yellow books. Same way, you can do the same way you yourself. You can start with the basics first, solve your maths, verbal logic. Number 2, we'll move to the green books, advanced level with all the advanced mocks and everything. And then third phase, after CAT, non-CAT exam. Okay, it's a 3-phase program. Okay, we have to go phase by phase, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to cope up. Otherwise यही लगेगा कि यार मैंने इतना पढ़ लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया. ठीक है, I'm preparing for the last 2 years, तो ये सारी बातें आएंगी. तो to avoid those things, let's talk about the parts, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Okay, this slide will give you a mota what is phase 1 and phase 2. So phase 1 is more about the basics and start giving the test. So whichever topic I do geometry, numbers, equation, all these things, I'll start giving a test for each of them. So this will happen till May. Then from June onwards, we'll start with the advanced level. Advanced mocks, advanced level of question, mocks and improving the weak area for the next few weeks, few months. And last few months, especially the last 2 months, we are going to move to the more shortcuts, mocks and strategies. ठीक है, एक चीज़ तो आपको समझ गया होगा कि only basics will not going to help you. We have to do the shortcuts as well to survive the CAT exam. ठीक है, fine. So if you want to join us, you can join me for this program. I'm starting with the CAT revenge program, in which the target is going to be cracking the CAT exam with target 99 percentile. That includes your books, mocks, shortcuts, everything. If you have taken any mock series for last year CAT exam, you might have realized the level of difficulty of the actual CAT paper was nowhere close to the mocks. As of today, trust me, no coaching classes have the mocks which are at par with the CAT exam. So what I'm doing is I give a CAT exam every year, and this year CAT papers mocks I have made according to what happened last year. So the exact mocks I'm going to make you solve in this year while preparing for the CAT exam. Okay. The main problem you're going to feel is that you are preparing for the second time. I mean, almost 2 years you are studying. So you will be feeling bored, you will be feeling down, you will be feeling out. So what I do to my students, that I break everything into weekly homeworks, weekly targets. So week 1, every Monday morning you get a homework, and every Sunday we take a test. Okay, it's a 1 week time you have to prepare for that. Okay, doubt solving, mocks, lectures, tests and e-classes, e-lectures, everything have to be covered up in 1 week. So let's forget about whether I'm giving CAT exam or whatever exam you're giving. Let's talk about the weekly homework. Every Monday to Sunday, I'm going to do, let's say, X topics, and we'll take a test for each of these topics. Okay, this is my target, simple. Fine, so that's how we are going to perform in the CAT exam this year with all the strategies and all. And every month we are going to have a checkpoint. What you have done, how much is remaining. So every Monday, every once in a month, we are going to have a checkpoint of what you have done and how much we are going to do. Okay. Alright, that's all I wanted to cover up in this video. So if you have any more question to me, you can ask me in the comment box and click on the box here so you can go to our online program list. You can join us for the classroom program or the online program, and click on the circle here so you can get all the updates automatically into your phone. Fine. So all the best. Thank you.